Okay, so creating text is fairly straightforward at Max. Of course, under the Create tab under Shapes, there is the old legacy text feature, but the one that gives you more power is one under the Geometry tab, which is called TextPlus. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to click in my top view. So you would click on whichever view you want to project onto. And then in your TextPlus settings, you can now change your text. So I'm just going to type in here, Yebo, exclamation marks. That means yes in Zulu. And then I'm going to right click to drop the tool, and then right click on my select and move tool, right click on the spinners just to center everything. Okay, and then I'm going to go full screen with my perspective view, go to modify, and now I can make some changes. So the thing here is that you need to select the text here before you make the change, otherwise it's not going to apply. So I'm selecting the text, I'm going to change the font to Arial Black. I'm going to set the size up. In this case the size isn't that important because this is not going to be integrated into a real life scene. I'm going to increase the tracking, that distance between the letters, and then I'm going to go down here to Geometry and I'm going to increase the extrude. Whoops, just do that again. Select the text. Oh no, I've messed this up. Let me just go back here. Arial Black and extrude. Okay, and then I'm also going to apply a bevel. So let's just zoom in here so you can see what that's doing. And I'm going to change the bevel to convex and put the width on, and let's just adjust that width just so we get nice rounded top to the letters. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this, so I'm going to kind of give this an interesting treatment just to show you that some of the creative ways that you can work with text. So I'm going to duplicate this. So under Edit, I'm going to clone a copy. Okay, and for the copy I'm going to set the geometry off. So I'll hide the original text. So we've just got this spline, and I'm going to convert this to an editable spline. So right click, editable spline, and then I'm going to select all these splines. Okay, now I'm going to put the original text back on, and I'm going to go down to outline here, click on it, and I'm just going to drag it out to something like that. Okay, right click, and then I'm going to duplicate that again. So edit, clone, copy, okay, and back to spline, select all, and I'm going to repeat that outline. But I'm going to take it out even more. Okay, so I'm kind of creating a bit of an Art Deco look. So if I just go to each one of these, I'm going to go to spline and delete the original, so I'm left with that sort of offset one. And then for this one, same thing, I will delete the original. Let's take it, spline, delete the original. Oh, sorry, that was my bad. I want to go here to spline, delete, then I'm just going to delete these inner ones. So okay, so what I'm left with is that. Alright, so I'm going to go to this one, and I'm going to go to enable in renderer, enable in viewport, and leave it on radial, and I'm just going to increase the thickness a bit, so I get kind of this backing kind of bumper to the text, which I think looks quite cool, gives it a kind of Art Deco-y appearance. And then I'm going to go to the last one that I did, and I'm going to do the same, but this time I'm going to change it to rectangular, and I'm going to reduce the length like that. Okay, and I'm just going to move that down a bit, so on the Z axis. Okay, and so now I've got this kind of interesting effect. Whoa, something weird has gone on there. Oh no, what has happened? Let's just see which one it is. Okay, it's this one. Why did that happen? Ah, okay. I didn't get rid of some splines here. Let's get rid of this one and this one. Ooh, it doesn't look good. Okay, I think I'm actually just going to take these out altogether. Under spline, take those out, and let's see what's going on here. Let's go to vertex. And there's some junk going on here. No, that's just the edge. Okay, let's see if we get a better result now. There, it looks better. Okay, and then there and there. Okay, and then I'm just going to put a rectangle around it. So in my top view, I'm going to actually use a shape here, rectangle. Okay. And for that rectangle, I'm going to just extrude it. And move the whole thing down. Okay, and then I'm just going to change the base color just for interest's sake. Let's take this one. Okay, so there, I mean, there's a bit of a problem there I need to go back and fix, but it gives you an idea of how you can take text and give it some interesting treatments. Let me just see what's happening here. It's actually this one. Let's have a look. Okay, there's a few vertices here that are giving me problem. Okay, that should sort it out. Okay. Alright, so that's working with TextPlus and with a few modifiers to get an interesting typographic result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.